Hi everyone, Chris Hale here from Profit Squirrel, bringing you your autumn update. It is the 19th of September. Autumn officially starts on the 23rd of September. It's just as well that it has a few days because looking outside my window, the trees are all green, everything is green, and yesterday I was wearing shorts. So I guess we're having a late summer, a warm autumn. Who knows what's going to happen? But never mind the weather. Let's think about sports and think about match betting because there is some amazing stuff going on. The football season is in full flow. We have the Champions League. We have many other good offers that are happening that are coming up. You haven't seen me for a few weeks, and that is because I was away. I went to America for a friend's birthday, and I spent some time just sort of catching up with a few friends over there. Here's a little shot of us. We went to Burning Man, which you may have heard of. It's sort of an arts and kind of electronic music event. It's out in the desert. That photo of us is before we got pretty dusty and covered in sort of, they have these wind storms and dust storms that just sweep across what they call the playa. It's basically the desert. If you're up for challenging yourself and doing something that is completely different, I really recommend it. And then after that, I went to New York. I was in New York for about 5 days, staying with a good friend of mine. Here's a nice little view from the balcony. I always find New York such an exciting place. There's so much energy and there's so many cool things going on. And now I'm back in London. It's great to be back. And talking of exciting things happening, I've been with the Profit Squirrel team in our office earlier this week. We've got a lot of exciting things happening and we're all back now up to full speed, working hard to bring you valuable stuff, to bring you great offers, to bring you insights and the best learning materials to go out there and make money from match betting. So let me just give you a little overview of sort of what's happening at the moment on the site and what you can expect in the next few weeks. So here we are in the members area. This is going to look familiar to you, I'm sure. One thing I will say is the welcome offers. Check them out. Even if you think you've done all of them, just check them out because we've added a lot more offers here and they're ones that you may not have signed up to beforehand. There's a lot of new online casinos and bookmakers coming out. This one, Royal Panda, MoPlay, Mansion Bet. These are all smaller operators, but they still tend to do quite good offers. So check that out. There's probably bookmakers that you haven't signed up to and welcome offers that you haven't completed. It's easy money there for the taking. Check that out. Go back into that area. I think we've added about 29 or 30 new offers to that page recently. So that is also a very cool thing to check out. Our daily offers section is also growing rapidly. There's a lot of great stuff in here and a few things that we've just updated recently to give you a little bit more variety and some more options. One of those sections is the daily price boost and arbing. We've had the price boost there for a little while, but the arbing is something new. What is an arb? It's basically when the back odds are higher than the lay odds and you can lock in a profit with just one bet. Now, traditionally, I'm going to bring up the odds matcher as I speak just to show you an example. We've always said don't do arbs because on the good bookmakers, the ones that give you lots of offers, they know when something is going to be an arb because they have got the stats for all the back odds, all the back markets. And they've also got the feeds from the betting exchanges so that they can see the lay odds as well. And if you do too many arbs on bookmakers like Ladbrokes or Bet365, Coral, the big names that give you lots of offers, then it's generally not a great idea because they can limit your accounts, what's called gub you for that. They're not big fans of it necessarily. Sometimes it happens by accident, and if you arb with a price boost, an odds boost rather, odds boost, price boost, same thing, just two different terms for it. That's cool. But sometimes we do have some bookmakers that we've joined, we've done the welcome offer, and they don't really give us very good ongoing offers. Or perhaps you've had an account that has been limited or gubbed in the past, and you might want to just continue using it, but you're not going to get any more free bets or bonuses from it. If that's the case, you might as well do an ARB. And I'm going to do a video on that in a little bit more detail in the future, but check out these guides if you want to. And then on the odds matcher, here we can see anything that is red with a rating over 100 is going to be an ARB. So this bookmaker, redbetpaf.com, maybe you're not getting any bonuses from those and you think, yeah, I see this is like a nice easy ARB to do this. So there's not a huge amount of availability, but let me just give you an example. So you go ahead and you place £10 on that as a back stake, then you're basically getting a guaranteed £1 profit, £1.43. And you can, of course, place more as long as there's like enough availability in the market. We could probably do 20. Yeah, 20. £2.86, easy profit, take you a few seconds. So check that out. We've also got more of the bet clubs in. These are really great. Like if you work through the bet clubs each week, I'd say it's probably about £100, £150 a week, possibly a little bit more you can do if you're very good with your matches, if you get very close matches. The other thing that's pretty new that I would look out for is the Champions League. That's on at the moment, and we're seeing some really great in-play offers coming out for that. If you don't know how to do in-play offers, then click the link at the top of the screen. I'm going to link you to one of my older vlogs that explains exactly how to complete an in-play offer profitably. I don't have one live to show you at the moment, and that's because there was a big game last night, Liverpool versus PSG in the Champions League, and there are about 3 different in-play offers that you could have completed there. There was a really good one from Bet365 that was bet £50, get a £50 free in-play bet. I did that one myself, made an easy about £32 profit from that. And I didn't even find the best match in play. I think my odds were something like 3.5, 3.9. So quite a big gap between the two, but it took me a few seconds and it was like a nice easy profit. So really look out for those in-play bets. They're going to be really profitable, and many more coming up as the football season and the various competitions go on. You will find them in the daily offer section here, so make sure you check in with that every day. And we're trying something new as well. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. It's at Profit Squirrel. And what we're going to be doing is in our daily stories, whenever there is a fantastic offer, an in-play offer coming out, we're going to share those in our stories. So what you'll be able to do is watch that and just get a really quick overview of what the best offers are, the best in-play offers, the fast profits, what those are, and you don't have to check the daily offers section in order to stay updated with that. So keep an eye out for those football offers. Keep an eye on the daily offers section. Look out for those ARB opportunities. Make sure you're working through the weekly bet clubs. If you're still working through the welcome offers or you spot any new ones you haven't done, make sure you get signed up to that bookmaker and complete the welcome offer. Those are easy profits to get. Follow us on Instagram at Profit Squirrel so you're the first to know about any of the latest, greatest offers coming out. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and make sure you hit that subscribe button to follow Profit Squirrel on YouTube. It's great to be back, and it's been great to make this video for you all again. Let me know in the comments below how you're doing. Have you been on holiday? Have you used your match betting profits for anything interesting? I forgot to mention actually that quite a lot of my trip to the US was paid for by match betting profits. It was like a really cheap trip for me actually, because I had made that money through doing match betting and a little combination of air miles as well. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Look out for more upcoming videos and tutorials in the days and weeks to come, and I'll talk to you all really soon.